Today, we're diving into the world of Italian comfort food and making a spaghetti carbonara recipe. Here's what you'll need. 226 grams of spaghetti, 2 large eggs, 45 grams of grated Parmesan cheese, 4 slices of bacon, diced, minced garlic, salt, pepper, and 2 tablespoons of fresh parsley. In a large pot of salted boiling water, cook the spaghetti according to the package instructions. Don't forget to save a little bit of that starchy water before you drain it. We'll need that later. While the spaghetti is cooking away, let's whisk together our eggs and Parmesan cheese in a small bowl, combining them well and then setting them to one side. Heat up a large skillet over a medium-high heat. Once it's hot, toss in your diced bacon and let it sizzle away until it's brown and crispy. This usually takes around 6 to 8 minutes, but keep an eye on it. Now let's add in that minced garlic to the skillet with the bacon and stir it around until it becomes super fragrant. That should only take around a minute. It's time to bring everything together. Reduce the heat to low, then toss in your cooked spaghetti and that egg Parmesan mixture that we made earlier. Season your carbonara with salt and pepper. Gently toss everything together until the spaghetti is coated in that creamy goodness. And here's a pro tip. Gradually add in the reserved pasta water 1 tablespoon at a time until you reach your desired consistency. This will make it extra silky and delicious. Finally, let's sprinkle on some fresh parsley for a pop of color and flavor. And there you have it. Our spaghetti carbonara is ready to be devoured. Be sure to give this recipe a try and let me know how it turns out for you. For the full recipe and nutritional guide, go to lovefoodfeed.com. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes.